Okay, now we are discussing error message page is displayed with title. Okay, verified checkbox is selected. Checkbox is selected. Checkbox is selected. Okay, now let me take some example. Where we can find the checkboxes. Oh,
And the IRCTC on checkbox.
yeah. IRCTC. Yeah, here there is a checkbox. Now let me go to some IRCTC script already we have created, right? IRCTC scripts. Okay. Yeah, here after opening the URL, uh, I want to check that whether checkbox is selected. Okay, for example, by default, this checkbox request OTP is not selected. I want to verify that. So for that, I'm writing one new function: public static void check request OTP. Request OTP. Okay. So here, identify the locator for this checkbox first. Input ID is there, so we can use ID. So it is very easy, simple one to verify d dot find element by dot id value dot is selected. There is a method called is selected. We can use this method to verify whether any item is there any element is selected or not. Clear? So if it returns true or false. If it is true, I'm writing that statement inside the if condition because that statement returns true or false. Then we can display that system dot out dot println request OTP checkbox is selected, else checkbox is not selected, else checkbox is not selected. Clear? That's it. That is a simple code, simple method. Is selected is the method we can use to verify this one. Is selected. Is selected. Dot is selected. Are clear? Now let us run this function. I'm calling this function. Commented first one, previous one. Run this. Yeah, execution is over. See that OTP checkbox is not selected. So it is correctly displayed the message. Correct? Because here checkbox is not selected, so that message is verified and it is right. Clear now? So isSelected is the method we can use to verify whether any element is selected or not, either checkbox or either radio button. For that for that kind of elements we can use this method. And next verification, whether any element is enabled or not. Verify an element is enabled or not. How we can verify whether any element in the web page is enabled or not? Very simple. It is also very simple. See, for example, we have to verify. For example, what is this? This checkbox. I want to check that this checkbox is enabled or disabled. It should be enabled. That is what I want to verify. So after this, I'm checking here one more thing. Is enabled. There is a method called is enabled we can use to verify whether any element is enabled. See, is enabled method is there. Clear? It returns boolean value as output, as a return value, boolean value. That means it returns true value if this element is enabled, otherwise it returns false value. So we are writing that statement inside if condition. Now just simply same thing, display same messages. Is enabled, is enabled if it is true. If it is not true, it is disabled. It is disabled. Are you clear? If this condition is true, that means if this enable method returns a true value, then we are displaying the message that element is enabled. If this condition is false, that means this enabled method returns false value, then we are displaying disabled message. Clear now? Save it. Now run the script. It should display two validations. We are doing two validations. First validation, the checkbox should not be selected, and second validation, the checkbox should be enabled. These are the two conditions we are checking for that request OTP checkbox. So this is enabled method we can use with any element, either link or anything. We can check that whether it is enabled or disabled. It is not required text box is disabled because it is same method for anything. Verify error message. Okay, let us see this one. How to verify error messages. What happened? Connection is not working. Okay, let me rerun again. Maybe net connection problem. Yeah, it is displayed. See that? Checkbox is not selected and checkbox is enabled. Oh, got it? These two validations are very simple. Now let us see error messages validation. How to verify error messages. Error messages within the same web page. Okay, not in the alert messages, not in the error message boxes. Suppose if you click login, it is getting a pop-up. Okay, it is a pop-up. If you highlight this, it is a pop-up. So it won't highlight this one. It cannot identify this pop-up message because this pop-up message box is not inside the web page. It is outside of the web page. Okay, this we will see later. How to handle with alert messages, alert message box. But right now we will see how to automate or how to verify error messages within the application. Let me go to sign up page. I think in the sign up page it will display error messages, or in or suppose in our stack application also it may display the stack.in. So if I go to tutorials or test page, it will display login, or simply if you click on login page, then if you click login without entering the username and password, it will display error message. Got it? I want to go to login page and simply click login button without entering email ID or with the invalid email ID. Then it should display some error message. Is it right? So now let us try to script this one. How to do validations, how to verify this error message. Let us go to stack. In the stack we are using verifications. IRCTC only we are using. Where we define stack, we define somewhere, right? And this is also open IRCTC. Okay, I think so here. Yeah, this is stack. Yeah, open the stack in, check default course. Now I want to verify, write one more function, public static void verify login error. Login error. Now what we have to do? We have to go to login button first. We have to click on login link. I have to click first login link to come to this login screen. So identify that login link title is there. Login text, we can go with the link text, right? Yeah, link text. So I'm using text value login. So d dot find element by dot link text login dot click. Okay, after clicking that login link, now what we have to do, enter empty value in this email address. So select here email address text box, ID is there, copy, select that ID, d dot find element by dot ID dot clear. That's it. I'm not entering any value there, just I'm clearing the value. Okay, and after that I want to click this login button directly. Click on this login link. I think it is also link or button. Okay, ID is there, copy that ID, click login, d dot find element by dot ID dot click. After clicking that, it should display error message. So we have to, if this is the element, so we have to highlight, select, identify this error message element, error message, this one. See that ID error message is there. Control C, copy that. Now we have to verify what is the message displayed inside this element. That means what to verify here? We have to verify what is the text displayed inside this element. Is it right? So to verify that text inside that element, first get the text value. Yes, actual error is equal to string d dot find element by dot ID error message dot get text. We can use get text method to get the text from that element. We are getting the text from that element into this variable, and then we can verify, compare that variable value with expected value. What is the expected value? This is the expected value, is it right? So let me copy here from here, Control C. Now verify that yes actual error dot compare to ignore case. I don't want to bother about case sensitive. Then verify, give that value. This is the value should be displayed. So if it is same, that what is the value it returns? This method compare to method returns 0. Correct. So I'm adding if condition here. If this method returns 0, if this method returns 0, then what is the message we have to display? System dot out dot println this error message displayed. Error message displayed. Correct. Else, what you can say? Error message is not displayed. Is it right? That error message is not displayed. Error message is not displayed. So it is a failure case. Okay, clear? Understand, Govind, how we are verifying the error messages in the application, in the web page. So this is the error message element. So from this error message
Actually,
element,
what is
yes, ma? Yes, repeat.
what is the check, sir, here? What is the check here, sir? Actually, we are getting the text from that element. This that is the one text error message we are getting, right? Please enter your login credentials. With this actually, we are assuming this is actual. We are comparing this actual with the expected.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
expected.
both are same means.
This is expected, correct?
Yeah.
If both are same
Okay.
means that verification is passed.
If it is okay.
If both are not
Okay.
same
If not
means
means, sir.
failed, right? Verification is failed. It is not.
Okay.
It is not displaying expected error message. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Application should display this error message when we enter empty email ID. Correct. See what
Okay.
is this validation is for empty email ID. Understand? Now see, it is empty email.
Hmm.
We are entering error message. We are checking here empty email error message. Got it? Verify empty email error message. That means whenever we keep this email ID as empty, and if you click login button, this error message should be displayed. That is what we are verifying, whether this error message is displayed or not. Are you clear?
Sir, we are using already clear, right, sir? Why you are using the link text login click, sir, again? What is the difference in login and login email? Click and clear. We are clearing it, that is enough, right?
What is login
Link
dot?
text login.
No man. What is this
Any
login
link
dot?
that.
Wait. Govind. What is this login dot click? What is this step?
This if it is button means we can click that login. Is
What?
there any link, sir? That is the link login link.
Yeah, there is a login.
Yeah, I'm thinking a login button is the if you are. Yeah.
See, to come to this login page, we have to click on the login link.
Click is attribute, sir. Click is attribute.
Hmm?
Oh, this link. Okay, sir. Okay. I thought I'm looking into this box, sir. Login box.
This
Okay.
is
Okay. I
login
didn't see that
submit.
login.
That button name
Okay,
is
sir.
login
Okay.
submit. Button. This is button login submit. After entering the
Okay.
email
Okay.
ID,
Got it, sir.
we are clicking the login submit button, and then we are getting the error message what is displayed in the application, and we are verifying that error message with our expected error message. If both are same, we display
Yeah.
pass or fail. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now let me run this. comment this line. Now run. Now it displays login link. And it is over. Execution is over. So now it displayed correctly. Is not displayed. Maybe it showing is not displayed. What is this, man?
That is
Compare.
the else condition.
Uh, yeah, else condition is displaying. Maybe
That is
this
the else
message
part.
is not matching. We copied correctly, right? Control C.
Hmm.
Or let me assign to some other variable, expected value variable. But that may
Yeah,
not be.
or else print the actual value, sir.
Yeah.
How it's
S expected error is equal to this is the message. Okay, done. Now I will use this variable inside, and here also. Yeah, I will display here. Yeah, I will display here actual message. So it is a fail case. Okay, I'm displaying here first message fail, status is fail. Okay, and after that I'm displaying this, and it is pass one, pass. Okay, now run. Now it will display actual error message what is displayed in the application. Let us see that. Done. Fail. Please enter your login credentials. Oh, here there is no space here. There is no space here. And here also there is no space. That is a problem. No space here. But here we have given space. Remove this space. Okay, now run. Let us see that. Now it should pass. Pass. Now it is pass. Okay. Got it?
So what we did, sir?
No,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
blank spaces are there in the expected value. We have given here blank spaces. Before and after at the end of the string error message, we have added here blank spaces. But because of that, it was not matching. After removing these blank spaces, it
This
is get.
expectation you have taken from the
Huh?
sir. This expectation you have taken from the HTML code, sir. From HTML code.
Yeah.
From HTML code.
Yes. Okay. So like this, we can verify.
Sir, tell me one thing, sir. Yeah, I have taken.
Hmm.
Sir, from HTML code, we are taking either expected or actual, sir, from HTML code.
No, ma. We
Actual only, right?
no. It is expected, not actual. Actual means at the time of running the script will capture the text. That is actual. Got it? At the time of writing the script, we are defining the expected message. We are defining the error message. That is expected. At the time of running the script will capture that message from the application. Correct? From that error message element by using getText method. That is actual. At the time of writing the script, we are defining the error message in the script. That is expected. Are you clear? See
Yes, sir.
this. See this error message, we are defining it inside the script at the time of writing the script, correct? At the time of creating the script. So this is expected error.
Hmm.
When actual error will be captured at the time of running the script by using getText method. Using getText method, script will capture the error message from the application at runtime using this getText method. This is actual error message. This both we compare. GetText.
Here we are comparing to ignore case expected equal to 0, sir. We are comparing the expected error equal to 0, no? Right?
Yes, ma. We are using here compare to method to compare this string and this string, correct?
Hmm.
Compare to method returns 0 if these two strings are same. If these two strings are not same, it returns not
Yeah.
0.
If both are equal means pass or else fail. Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Hmm? Error message element using getText.
Yes, sir.
Using getText method. That is a step 1. What we are doing here. And step 2, compare error message text with expected text. That is the second step. Only these are the two steps we have to do for this. Are you clear? See the next one, pop-up messages we'll see later. Page is displayed or not. I want to verify whether this particular page is opened or not. Are you clear? How to verify that? Whether page is displayed or not. I want to check that. Okay, let me see that. See, after launching the URL here itself. See here what we are doing here. We are opening the URL. Is it right? After opening the URL, I want to check that whether that is the stack page, web page is opened or not. Home page. This home page is opened or not. I want to check that. Are you clear? Yeah, what's happened? It's coming down. Now just highlight this web page. What is the title of this page? I want to check that. Header. Go to header. See the title. This is the title. Software Test Automation Center of Knowledge. So I want to check that whether this web page is displayed or not with this title. Are you clear? After
Where,
this statement,
yeah,
after
which one we highlighted?
hmm,
Which one we have you have highlighted, sir? Which one you
inside
have highlighted? So using
inside
that ID.
inside header, inside header,
Okay.
title is there. Title. It is nothing but web page title. For every web page, there should be some title. Got it?
Yes.
For every web page, there should be a title.
Yes, yes.
So I want to check that web page is displayed with this particular title or not. So I'm taking this title value from this HTML file, and then I'm writing the code. After launching this, here we are launching the application and we are navigating to this URL, correct? After that, after maximizing, here I want to verify that d dot say that get title. There is a method called get title. D dot get title. What it will do? It returns title, the current web page title. Are you clear? It returns current web page title. So here I am getting the title into variable. Yes, actual title is equal to. Now I will verify this title with my expected title. Yes, expected title equal to. This is my web expected title. Is it right? Now both should be same. If s actual title dot compare to s expected title is equal to 0, correct, is equal to 0. Now we should say pass, correct. It is pass, and we can say that s expected title web page is displayed. Is it right? Page is displayed. It is pass. Okay, in case if it is not pass, if that condition is not true, then you should say that else. Here I want to display fail. What is the page is displayed? Actual title. This page is displayed actual page with failed status. With failed status. Are you clear? After launching this, I want to verify this correct web page. The correct web page is launched or not. Whether the correct web page is opened or not. I want to verify that. So now here we are using get title. How we are using here? Step 1, what we are doing? Get page title using get title method. And step 2, where you compare the page title with expected page title. Are you clear? So like this we can verify whether correct page is displayed or not. Now run this. Now see that first one pass software test automation center of knowledge page is displayed, and after that login. See we have many validations. See, whenever you click this login button, login link, it should display login page. See, this title should be different here inside header. See that. What is the title of this page? Login software test automation center of knowledge. That means page navigation. You may have to verify. You may have to automate every page navigation. We have to verify whether are we navigating to correct page or not. Is it navigating to correct screen or not in the application? So how you can check that? By using this title of the page. After clicking login screen, I have to verify this login page is displayed or not. So I can add here one more validation. See, after clicking login button, where I'm clicking login button? Here. See, here I'm clicking login link. After clicking login link, verify login page is displayed. Login page is displayed. How you can verify that? The same process. Is it right? Are you clear? See, here I am displaying expected title, expected page is equal to, this is my expected page title. Are you clear? Now how we are getting actual page? String. So actual page we should get same way, this way. First get the page title. Actual page. I'm getting into this variable actual page. Now compare these two. It is actual page, not actual title. Sorry. Expected message. Are you clear? So here I am checking that only this login page is opened, only then I want to continue this execution. Is it right? Suppose if the login page is not opened, we no need to run these steps because anyway those steps will be failed. If that login page is not opened, we cannot execute these steps. Is it right? So what I have to do? I have to write all these statements inside, say that inside if condition here. Here I should write. Understand?
Okay.
Say inside if condition, we are writing this. Close bracket and this if condition, open the bracket for this if condition, because there are more than one step inside this if condition that we want to run. That's it.
Yeah, inside login page title, sir.
Yeah. See this ma. If this condition is passed, then we are displaying login page is displayed and it is condition is passed, verification is passed. If this login page is displayed, then we have to run these validations inside the login page. Enter empty email ID and click login button and then verify that error message is displayed correctly. Suppose if the login page is not displayed, then this condition will be failed and control will come directly else part. So it won't run these steps because login page itself not displayed. So how you can verify error message inside the login page? We cannot verify. So we cannot run these steps. Understand now? We no need to execute these steps if this login page is not displayed. When you can verify when you can execute these steps only if the login page is displayed, only then we can run these steps, all these steps. If the login page is not displayed, we cannot execute these steps. That's why we have added all these statements inside this if condition. If this if condition is passed, that means login page is displayed, so we can execute these steps. In case if the login page is not displayed,
yeah. So here check is here. It's checking that title of the
Yes, Govin.
Okay, instead of but there is a LGIN is there
Mm.
spelling mistake. Okay, in that case also it won't act right. Suppose the one page is displayed, the title is LGIN, but we have written LOGIN. So in that case also it will be failed, or but page is displayed with the invalid title. So in this case,
It see, we are
sir, you
expecting,
got my point.
you are
Uh,
expecting a web page should be displayed with this specific title: Login Software Test Automation Center of Knowledge. That is a login page in my application. Is it right? If the page is displayed with a different title, that means that is not a login page. The login page title in our application is this one: Login hyphen Software Test Automation Center of Knowledge. That is the login page title. We know that title. Is it right?
yes, sir.
If that page is not, if the
Okay,
page
sir.
is displayed with a different title, what does that means? Login page is not displayed. Is it right? Understand, na?
Got it, sir.
Yeah, that's what. See how you are, how you can identify that. How you can identify what is that page is by using that page title. We can identify what is that page is. So that's why we are using here page title to verify that the correct web page is displayed or not in the application. After clicking the login button, some link, or after clicking the next, or after launching the URL, whether that correct web page is opened or not. How you are verifying that? By using page title. Understand? Yeah. So this is the one
Okay, sir.
important verification that we can use to verify login page is displayed or not. And here inside this we are checking that, what is this? Here we are checking that inside this if condition we are checking that empty email error message. First we are checking login page is displayed. If it is pass only, we are checking empty email error message is displayed or not. So like this, we have to write a code in the real-time projects. As per the test case, inside one test case, there can be multiple, more than one validation. And these validations may be dependent. See, if this first validation is failed, we cannot execute second validation. Understand? There is a dependency. So if this first validation is passed, only then we can run second validation. So that's why we have written the second validation code inside this if condition. Understand? Like this, we have to create a script. Depends upon the, by understanding the flow, by understanding the test case steps flow. When these steps can be executed, when these steps cannot be executed. Accordingly, we have to add if conditions and else statements. And inside if conditions or inside else statements, we have to write your add your steps. Okay. So are you clear?
Okay,
Today
sir.
we have seen
Yes, sir.
how to verify page is displayed or not using title, and how to verify error messages in the web page, and how to verify any element is enabled or not, and how to verify checkbox is selected or not. So these are all validations we have seen. And tomorrow we'll see table cell content validation. One small, that is one thing. I want to verify some particular value is displayed or not inside the table row or inside table column. I want to verify some value is displayed or not. How you can check that? That we can verify that tomorrow. Table validation. That's it. Then we covered all validations. If you covered this one, and there is one more alert message validation that we'll see later. Verify table text. Okay. Okay. See you, Govin.
Right on.
Yeah.
Right point also, sir. Alert pop-up also.
Yeah, alert.
Right
That is
on
that is
the
the
10
tenth
point.
one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Govin.
Save it, sir. Upload it, sir.